Today we're going to learn how to create a slate to track construction equipment. First thing you do is sign into the web portal, enter the authentication code that was provided by Slate Pages. Slate Pages was recently contacted by a Connecticut demolition company to help solve two problems: GPS tracking of equipment and preventative maintenance and inspection logs. The GPS is an easy problem to solve. When the slates are mounted to a piece of equipment and an inspector or operator goes ahead and scans that slate, your iPhone provides us with a GPS coordinate so we can list that on a map. Here you can see their equipment is color-coded. Red equals excavator, blue are generators, green are compressors, and purple are skid steers. Now that the company knows where their assets are, they want to be able to link the inspection information and maintenance notes to those assets. I'll show you how we do that with Slate Pages. You first open up the Slate Page app. Go ahead and scan the slate that's on that link belt. The information will then pop open, including a link for the operating manual. We've got the GPS coordinate, hours, and maintenance notes. If you want to view all the maintenance notes, you can go ahead and click all entries, and it will display in chronological order those maintenance notes. We had a service note here on August 2nd, and one as recently as August 12th. Performing morning free start inspection. Hours are 9327. If we want to go ahead and add our own note, we would just hit edit in the upper right. Add an entry. Just going to write the word test. Go ahead and post that entry. Hit save. B. Bannon made an entry on August 15th. 2016 at 6:30 p.m. If we come and refresh the web portal, go ahead and find that slate again. The excavator 2800, the link belt. You'll see the entries and the one that I just added. B. Bannon, test 8/15, 2016, 6:30 p.m. Slates give construction companies an opportunity to link their inspection, maintenance, and photos to unique assets. Contact Slate Pages to learn more.